wageni mwakaribishwa Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Ngiti jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Iti jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Iti jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Jambo, karibu kwenye mkutano wetu.
What did you say? Ruben was speaking in Swahili. That is the most common language in Kenya.
Ruben said hello and welcome to our assembly.
We learn about Kenya. For those of you that don't know about Kenya, let us teach you some facts.
Kenya is found in the continent of Africa, which is the second biggest continent. Africa is 3 times the size of America and over 5,000 miles long. Kenya is found in the east of Africa and the capital city is Nairobi.
We thought it was all sandy and hot, but we have learnt that even though it is hot and on the equator, there are big cities too, and 44 million people live there.
So, what is different about life in Kenya? The Masai tribe live in the African savannas. They live in mud huts built by the women.
The Masai families live with their animals too. They are very careful to protect them from big predators that roam the savannah.
Masai men are traditionally in short of their tribe. Red is their favourite colour. The Masai men go out to hunt for animals to provide food for their families.
The Masai men perform a special dance called the jumping dance when they are showing off. We thought it looked fun, so we had a go too.
The Big Five is a name given to the largest and most dangerous African animal. Lion, leopard, African elephant, rhinoceros and Cape buffalo.
The Big Five names was also given by hunters to name the most difficult animals to hunt on foot. In Kenya, over 2 million wildebeest migrate from one national park to a national reserve during July to October, covering 2 million miles.
2,000.
The wildebeest had to trot a mile in where crocodile tried to eat them. Some animals in Kenya and other countries can be endangered.
An endangered species is a species of animal or plant that is at risk of becoming extinct. This could be because of their habitats being destroyed, hunting by humans, and a change in their climate.
We have really enjoyed learning about live animals and people in Kenya. We have made masks too.
Jambo! 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 Jambo!
Song from Africa called Jerusalem that has inspired a dance challenge. Lots of people and schools have tried to learn the moves, and the dance craze went viral a few months ago. We tried out the steps along the line. Maybe if you were inspired, you might want to learn it too.
Thank you.